Alright, so this is just a quick tutorial on how to change the fuse on the Stetzerizer Australian model filter. So you see we've got the filter here. Fuse is located on the back side. We need a small Phillips screwdriver in order to remove that screw. Then here we've got a small 2mm flat blade screwdriver that we insert just under the tab here. Now there's no threads on this tab. They're down inside the filter, so you don't have to worry about damaging the threads. So you insert the flat blade screwdriver, pry up a little bit and lift, and the fuse holder pops out. So you can see here that there is a small slot specifically made for a flat blade screwdriver to be inserted in here in order to pry up this fuse holder. All the threads are down in here, so as long as you don't stick anything down here, you don't have to worry about damaging any threads. So pull the fuse out of the holder, replace it, put that fuse holder back in, secure it with the screw, and that's all there is to it.